Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps on my channel, and turn that notification bell on to miss many or any of my future videos. Especially because today is the first of 4 back-to-back Fortnite videos. If you don't know, if you've been living underneath a rock, Revolution have launched a Fortnite collection. It's actually Fortnite's first ever like beauty collab, which is like so exciting. I will admit, hand on heart, that the only time I've ever really seen somebody play Fortnite is my little sister, and she used to be obsessed with it, like absolutely obsessed with it. So yeah, it's crazy that it's now came into like my area of my life with Revolution and makeup. But yeah, I'm going to show you everything that I've got in the collection. I don't have everything. I am missing a few things. Over the next couple of days, if you're watching this on the day that this launches, on the 19th of May, if you watch, is it the 19th? Yeah, the 19th of May. If you're watching this after then please go check out my channel because there'll be a lot of Fortnite videos already live. Today I'm going to do a reveal. Tomorrow I'm going to focus on doing PD, which will all make sense in a minute. And then the day after I'm going to do the Llama. And then the day after I'll do Cuddle leader. I'm sorry if I've said anything wrong because like I said, I'm not a hardcore Fortnite person. And once I've done my kind of videos on this, these products will be getting given to people that are hardcore Fortnite people. So first up we have a peely lip oil, which just looks like this. And this is the Revolution in Fortnite Peely Banana Lip Oil. This retails for $4.99, $8, €5.99 or 10 Australian dollars. If you don't know by now, obviously, first of all, I do work for Revolution. These are all samples that I've got given to me from work that I can do any content on in my own time. It's currently like 7:30 on a Sunday night. I don't get paid to do any of this, unfortunately. This is because this is what I did before I started working for Revolution, so I've just kind of continued it whilst I work for them as well. But what I was going to say is I do have a 20% off discount code. I don't make any money off it. It gets you 20% off anything that is full price on Revolution's website globally. So yeah, if you want to buy anything, save yourself some money, use my discount code. Like I said, I don't make any money off it. I do make a little bit of commission if you shop through my links down below, but I don't make any money from the code. So yeah, just in case you want to save yourself some pennies. So first thing is the Peely Banana Lip Oil, which just looks like this. I think even if you aren't into Fortnite, this collection is so cute. It's like hard to resist anyway. We also have a Peely Banana Light Baking Powder. So baking powder is literally like one of the best selling products for Revolution. So they've kind of like done a Fortnite takeover with this, and this is the Banana Light Baking Powder. So this retails for $5.99, $8, €6.99 or 12 Australian dollars. Like I said, I will be testing all of this in my upcoming videos. And then each of the different characters have their own palette. So this is what Peely's palette looks like. It's so stinking cute. So this is the Peely 9 Pan Shadow Palette. And then the inside looks like this. I am really excited to try this. There's like a full-on like pressed glitter in the middle. Then we have 3 shimmers and then the rest are all mattes. And this retails for $7.99, $12, €8.99 or 16 Australian dollars. And then this is what the inside looks like, and then this is what the packaging looks like. Like I said, each of them have their own palettes. We also have the Supply Llama palette to match the character, and then the inside. This one, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited to play with. It does only have 3 mattes and the rest are shimmers, but I'm really happy with the mattes that are in here. Like one more deeper one would have been nice, or even just like one lighter one to blend out. But yeah, there's like quite like a shimmery, might even be like a glitter one as well actually, and then the rest are all shimmers, and then obviously you've got the 3 mattes as well. And then this is just what it looks like. So I'm really excited to do a full look and a full video on that palette. And then, which is like such a cool one as well, they've done a Supply Llama primer. It's like kind of like the Candy Haze primer, but obviously it has like the shades that match all of like the Llama, Supply Llama stuff. So yeah, we will definitely be putting this to the test and seeing what it's meant to do and what it feels like, what colour it comes out like. Definitely be testing all of that in my future video. Because it says it's a dewy swirl primer. So it sounds really nice. And then we have the Cuddle Team Leader 9-pan palette, which just looks like this. I quite like that there's no big palette in this collection, because I'd rather have like smaller ones that have like a better colour story than have a big one that has like a random colour story. Again, this one looks really, really nice. There is like 1, 2, 3 shimmers. There's like a marbly one, and then there is like 1, 2, 3, 4, technically like 5 mattes, because the 3 of them has like a very, very tiny little bit of shimmer in. But the kind of shimmer there, when you blend it out, it kind of just disappears. It just basically makes like a matte more like, what's a word, like blendable. Couldn't think of the word in. But yeah, excited to try this one. I think the one I'm most excited for is probably like the purple or the yellow one. But I feel like this one's more for people who really, really like love pink. And want to go for more of like a girly kind of look. So that is the Cuddle Leader palette. And all of them are the same price, apart from the Swirl primer. The Swirl primer is $9.99, $12, €9.99 or 20 Australian dollars, but all the palettes are all the same price. And then moving on to shimmer lip gloss, we have one for the Cuddle Team Leader, which is like a pinky gloss with shimmer in it. And then this, oh, you can see the shimmer a bit there. This is just what it looks like, and this retails for $4.99, $8, €5.99 or 10 Australian dollars. Also, as part of the collection, there is a cosmetics bag for the Cuddle Leader as well. It has like the little like keychain as well to match, and then this is like a fluffy cosmetic bag. I'm just going to keep that in the packaging so I can gift that, and so I don't need to use it for one of my reviews. It's a cosmetic bag, you know what I mean. So this retails for I think it retails for $7.99, $10, €8.99 or 16 Australian dollars. We also have a trio sponge set, so like a sponge for each of the characters. So obviously we have Peely's, Supply Llama, and then also Cuddle Team Leader as well. So we have the pink one on the end. So my brain like just completely zoned out whilst I was mid talking then. So let me just check the price for that one. Am I okay? Who knows? So this retails for $7.99, $10, €8.99 or 16 Australian dollars. There's also a water activated eyeliner set in here as well, which, to be honest with you, I'm not even going to use this because I don't get on with these at all, and I'm just rubbish at doing it, so I'm not going to put myself through the torture of trying to get a decent look out of that. But in case you are interested in that, that is $7.99, $12, €8.99 or 16 Australian dollars. We also have like a lip gloss for the Supply Llama, but this one is like a lip swirl. So it has like this really cool like white and purple swirl through it. And this retails for $4.99, $8, €5.99 or 10 Australian dollars for that one. So the next one is so stinking cute. So there's actually a Peely headband, which is so cute, and it makes sense with one of the products I'll show in a second. But yeah, this is the Peely masking headband, and this retails for $4.99, $8, €5.99 or 10 Australian dollars. And then to go with the theme, there's also a Peely mask brush. So you have like the brush on one end, and then you also have like the silicone applicator on the other. And this retails for $5.99, $10, €6.99 or 12 Australian dollars. We also have a Peely banana face mask. I don't actually know how much this is off my little sheet, but obviously I will leave the link down below to it so you can go check it out. And then the inside, when you open it, says "Go Bananas." And then this is what the actual, it's actually huge, the face mask looks like. I want to have a little snifferoo, see if it smells like, it smells, I personally would say very faintly yeah, very, very faintly of banana. That's like a, feels like it's glass. Feels like really expensive, that. But I'd just say it smells more like a face mask. I wouldn't say it smells like hardcore like banana. I don't know if it's meant to, because I don't have my little thing saying like what the name of it is and whether it's meant to be scented or not. But yeah, that feels really heavy and really expensive. Okay then, bouging. So that is the face mask. And then I also think there's a couple of things that I think I'm missing. I think I'm missing some body sprays from the collection as well, but I'll have a little check at the end. I think I'm missing some body sprays, maybe like a fixing spray, and like some nail varnishes as well. But I'll get to all that shortly. We also have a banana sponge, which I'm actually quite excited to see how people are going to use this. So this is what Peely's banana sponge looks like, and obviously it literally looks and is shaped like a banana. So this retails for $4.99, $8, €5.99 or 10 Australian dollars. And then we also have, which is absolutely stunning, a face palette. What I will say is that it is only in one colour story, so definitely feel like they needed to do like more shades of this, because one face palette for everybody, obviously it's just, it doesn't work like that. So yeah, there's a bronzer, highlighter and blusher, so we'll see what this is like on my complexion and put that to the test. So that'll be in my Llama review video. And that retails for $4.99, $8, €4.99 or 10 Australian dollars. I'm also missing the trio brush set as well. So I'm missing the trio brush set, the fix and spray, the nail polish. There was like a nail polish for each of the 3 characters. The fix and spray was a peely one, which is such a shame. Like, I really hope it smells like bananas. I've not seen it, so I'm not too sure. And then we also have a mascara for each of the characters as well. So the mascara retails for $5.99, $8, €5.99 or 12 Australian dollars. We have the Cuddle Lash one. So I'll test every single one of these in my videos. And then we have the Llama one as well. So that is all 3 of the mascaras. I definitely feel like there was some sprays that I'm missing, some like body sprays too. We've not been able to send any samples out to any influencers for the past couple of weeks at work, so I've not been able to get any like stuff that I was missing. When I was in the office in London last week, I didn't want to take stuff just in case it was needed for influencers that are doing content for Fortnite for us, or like for anything to do with like the office. So yeah, I am missing a few things, but it's no biggie. I've still got absolutely loads that we can try. But yeah, I think that's everything. But it's definitely everything that I have anyway. I'd love to know what you think down below. Like, are you somebody who plays Fortnite? What did you think of this collection? Like, obviously for me, who's not into like games, and like I am into games, but not into them kind of games. I'm more like, I don't know, like Super Mario kind of vibes. Like, I would die if they did. I keep saying it at work. I keep saying, can we do Scooby-Doo? Can we do Super Mario? I keep pushing it. I hopefully will see you tomorrow for my first review using Peely, and then we'll obviously review the other 2 and the next 2 days after that as well. If you are watching this after the 19th of May, head over to my channel because the videos will already be up. And enjoy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. Love you. Bye.